in San Francisco for 11 years. I've been in the tech industry for about 20 years, currently working for Ubisoft. I got interested in Plex when I had a physical media collection that was kind of unwieldy and large and was not very convenient for moving around with me, how I can access it the way I want to access it. I tend to be a completionist, so Plex obviously works very, very well in that regard. The ability to have my own playlist, to have the collections, to have the metadata so that I can come up with, my midnight movie list or my, sci-fi movies or time travel movies or, that kind of stuff. Currently, I'm running on the Shield, so that's running the server only. I've got Xbox One that I run the client off of, as well as iPhone, iPad, various browsers, and I have a Synology NAS that's storing everything. The Shield being one of the more powerful and very small systems, so I felt like it finally hit that point where it made sense to me, to rather than just running it off my computer. And also, I haven't really used it that much for this purpose, but I liked the idea that if I wanted to go on vacation, I could bring along my server if I felt like it as well. For New Year's, I went down to Texas and then Brazil. So used a lot of the syncing, especially when going to Brazil. I knew I'd have very, very spotty internet where I was going to be and a lot of time on my hands. So used a lot of the syncing for that. Just kind of getting into the photos, kind of cliche, I guess, but do the, hey, let's look at our vacation snaps, like being able to, to view it on the TV. Whereas right now it tends to be, I bring my phone out or my tablet. I'm a big music fan, so I was very interested in having smart playlists or have Plex suggest music, like things of that nature. And it has been nice at times where I went on vacation and a friend of mine who we share our collections to each other. Being able to have Plex where I can organize it and use the discoverability within it, it plays up very nicely to that, maybe those little aha, moments where you're like, I forgot I had that movie or I forgot I haven't seen this.